Machine learning isn't just for PhD scientists anymore. If you can follow a recipe, you can understand how it works. Machine learning. You've heard the term on every news channel, in every boardroom, and in every tech job listing. But what is it, really? And do you actually need a maths degree to understand it, or use it? In the next 10 minutes, I'll explain machine learning in plain English. No jargon. No equations. Let's go. The simple definition: machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence where computers learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. Instead of telling a computer exactly what to do in every situation, you show it thousands of examples, and it figures out the patterns on its own. Think of it like training a dog. You don't explain the rules of fetch in a manual. You throw the ball, reward good behavior, and the dog learns. Real-world examples you use every day. Machine learning is already running your life. When Netflix recommends a show, machine learning. When your email filters spam, machine learning. When your bank flags a suspicious transaction, machine learning. When Google Maps predicts your commute time, machine learning. It's not science fiction. It's already everywhere. The three types of machine learning. There are three main types. Supervised learning, where the model learns from labeled data, like images tagged as cat or dog. Unsupervised learning, where the model finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data, like grouping customers by behavior. Reinforcement learning, where the model learns by trial and error, like teaching a game playing AI to win at chess. What skills do you need? To work in machine learning, you'll want a foundation in Python, statistics and probability, libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, and the ability to handle and clean data. You don't need to be a mathematician. Practical ML practitioners focus far more on applying tools than deriving formulas. Machine learning career paths and earning potential. Machine learning engineers are among the most in-demand technical professionals globally. Depending on region, experience, and industry, they command highly competitive compensation packages. Research scientists, particularly those working on advanced models and innovation, often earn even higher compensation due to the specialized expertise required. Data scientists with strong machine learning capabilities also sit in the upper tier of analytics roles, especially when they can deploy models into production environments. These roles are consistently ranked among the fastest growing in the global technology economy. Organizations across healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, logistics, and emerging AI-native industries are actively investing in machine learning talent. Demand varies by geography and company size, but the long-term trajectory of machine learning careers remains strong worldwide. How to get started? Start with Python basics, 4 to 6 weeks. Move into data handling with NumPy and Pandas. Learn your first ML algorithm. Linear regression is a great starting point. Then build projects on real datasets from Kaggle. Uplatz has structured ML and AI courses that take you from zero to job ready, step by step. Machine learning is the skill of the decade, and starting now puts you years ahead of people who are still waiting for the right moment. Visit Uplatz.com to explore our machine learning and AI courses. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for weekly content that makes tech accessible to everyone. Learn full course on machine learning at Uplatz.com.